For some brides, the big day is all about the dress. But for one Gresham woman, her summer wedding is centered around the cake. Good evening to you. I'm Anna Canzano. We begin with a story about a wedding cake ordeal that has this woman beyond frustrated. K2's Corey Marshall shows us how it involves a popular bakery that closed up shop.
Before the engagement photos, actually even before the engagement, bride-to-be Stephanie Quintero had her heart set on this 4-layer navy blue wedding cake.
For a lot of people, they have that one thing in their wedding they love. I didn't care so much about the dress or the flowers. The cake was my thing.
She and her fiance Jason put the down payment on it way back in December 2013. The rest of the wedding planning was centered around this cake design. Wright Berry's Custom Cakes in Oregon City was the only bakery, they said, that could pull off the intricate cake work. She found out this week Wright Berry's closed over the summer. Now she's out of a cake and a couple $100 cash.
And I just had a mini meltdown. I was like, what do you mean they're out of business? And sure enough, I called and there's no forwarding. It's just disconnected.
We called too. Even tracked down the original owners, Janet and her husband Tom Wright, who they say took the original order. The Wrights said they sold the shop in January 2014. Public records show a company named Planet Financial Inc. owns it as of March 2014. According to the Oregon Secretary of State's website, Planet Financial is owned by James Frackowak.
He was responsible for taking care of, and he didn't do it.
I spoke to Frackowak over the phone. He says he gave the company back to the Wrights, and the responsibility falls on them because the Wrights owned the company at the time of the order.
The answer that I'm looking for is, do you have the legal documentation saying that you gave them the business back?
Quintero says regardless of who is responsible, she wanted to share her story and try to save another bride out there the last-minute stress and heartache.
Now coming back out here live, the Better Business Bureau does have some advice for any consumers who pay for a product and don't get that product before the store or the business closes, in that case, whether that be a cake or something else. They say it's important that those consumers file a complaint with the Better Business Bureau and the Attorney General's office. It starts a paper trail. Also, if you pay with a credit card, notify your credit card company, and in some cases, if you pay with a check, the bank can cancel that check and you can recoup some of that money. We're live in Oregon City. Corey Marshall, K2 News.
That's valuable advice. Corey, thank you.